In this video, our technical analysis for Bitcoin played out exactly as predicted. Same goes with Ethereum. It met our target exactly as predicted. But the question is, what is next for this coin? And as well as, guys, we are going to take a quick look with CRO as well as Gala, as we want to know an in-depth technical analysis for these coins. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So let's look at the bigger time frame first kasi this is what we have been monitoring. Especially yung Bitcoin dip came off from this rising wedge and of course of this bearish divergence. So it played out exactly as predicted, diba? And right now, what we were saying is we were actually going to get a strong support at the 50-day moving average. And if di natin yun na-hold, then we are going to more likely go down to the 100-day. And right now, yung pa din yung nangyayari ngayon, still pretty much the same. We are still consolidating above. So the moment na magkaroon tayo ng daily candle close below this area, if nag-close tayo below, then our target would be around the 53.2K, 53.3K to be exact, kasi andun na yung 100-day moving average. Pero yeah, not everything is confirmed yet, not unless we go down. But take note guys, this is just a healthy pullback. As you can see, sobrang normal lang yung pullback. As you can see dito, nag-pullback si Bitcoin and that's a good thing kasi nakuha tayo ng pump to the upside after that pullback. So right now, maganda na magkaroon din ng pullback para makuha tayo ulit ng pump to the upside. So yeah, right now, that's what we are going to monitor for the Bitcoin price for the bigger time frame. Especially this is in the bigger time frame nga. So as you can see, the RSI is still playing this one out for this bearish divergence. And it's not yet a good buying opportunity, but looking at a shorter time frame. So with that being said, let's look at the shorter time frame. If we're going to look at the hourly, you can see na naggaling tayo ng bullish divergence. And di ba sabi ko sa inyo, ang target usually ng bullish divergence is the 50 moving average. And it's now actually met our target. Ayun na, na-meet na siya. And then on top of that, meron din tayo actually nag-form na falling channels. And nag-breakout tayo. Ang target ng falling channel would be the top of the channel. And na-meet na natin siya. So right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price? So I think what's next is by looking at the RSI, you can see na hindi tayo overbought nor oversold, indicating na it's not a good buying nor selling opportunity for the early time frame. So if you want to get into Bitcoin, tapos na yung buying opportunity, so what I would do is I would actually wait for another drop. Kasi if nagkaroon tayo ulit na isa pang drop, at the same time, nagkaroon tayo ng higher RSI, that would actually continue the trend of the bullish divergence. And in that case, if let's say na-continue yun ng ganon, we might see a bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame kung nangyari yun. So right now, that's what we have to monitor if we are going to see a bullish divergence dito sa Bitcoin, especially in the 4-hour time frame. Kasi of course, the more na mas malaki yung time frame, dun mas powerful yung bullish divergence. And guys, take note, ang bullish divergence should be a declining price with an increasing RSI. Kasi if that's the case, then we are going to see a bullish trend reversal anytime soon if nangyari yun. So right now, yun yung ating inaabangan if magkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade it with Bingbon kasi dito mas mura yung Bitcoin trading fees. And yeah, as usual, sign-up links is in the description down below. So going to another coin, you can see na Ethereum is also pretty much playing out that bullish divergence and actually met our target exactly as predicted, which is yun nga, 50 moving average as well as the top of this channel. You can see na meron tayong falling channel. So yeah, I think buong crypto market is pretty much the same with the Bitcoin price action, especially yung isang video natin, di ba, pinakita natin yung Bitcoin dominance is actually moving sideways, indicating na kung ano yung galaw ng Bitcoin, yun din magiging galaw ng market. So right now, everything is looking good right now. Pero if I were you, I would just buy the dip if let's say nag-decline ito ulit. Di ba sabi ko kanina, ang kailangan natin abangan is bullish divergence, and if magkaroon tayo ng bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame, then that would be another good buying opportunity kay not only with Ethereum but as well as the whole crypto market. So right now, yung ating inaabangan is it's the bullish divergence in the 4-hour time frame kasi that would be very, very powerful. But as much as possible, buy the dip using dollar cost average. And if di nyo pa nakita yon, you can actually check my video on how to buy the dip. Just follow dollar cost average when buying the dip lang palagi, guys. So as you can see, Ethereum is pretty much playing our technical analysis. Looking at this in the daily, you can see na we are actually getting a strong support at the 50-day moving average. So yeah, I think we must hold this line in order for us to remain bullish. And so far, looking good tayo kay Ethereum. Look at the trend. It's actually in an uptrend pa din. So, wala naman talaga tayo ikaka-worry. So yeah, as of now, looking good tayo kay Ethereum. Looking at the RSI, hindi siya best buy ngayon. So yeah, if you want to dollar cost average in buying, you can naman, pero it's not the best buying opportunity as of now. So that is for Ethereum. And now, with that being said, let's talk into different altcoins like CRO. Kasi look at this, guys. CRO has been steadily increasing for the past year. And actually, kung titignan nyo, since January 2021, CRO has been up roughly around 838% ever since the January pump. So right now, CRO is actually looking very bullish right now with its price action. And if you're going to see from the Bitcoin capitulation nung time na nag-crash si Bitcoin, yung ating pump ever since that was around 522%. So as you can see, ang laki ng ating pump dito kay CRO. But the question is, what is the price prediction for CRO? Ano ba yung mga resistance na kailangan natin tingnan as well as the support areas? So that will be a good question. So let's look at this in the 4-hour time frame. So you can see na, if you're going to look at this, meron tayong strong support at the 39 cents. So 39 cents is going to act as a strong support, and then 59 cents or roughly 57 cents pala, yun yung magiging technical resistance natin. So right now, if we are getting a strong resistance with the 59 cents, then we are going to consolidate between the 39 up until the 59 cents. But yeah, it's safe to say na we could add a buying opportunity dito at the 39 cents. That would be a good re-entry opportunity. Pero yeah, right now we have a resistance at the 57 cents. And if we break the 57 cents area, then our next target would be around the 76 cents na. So right now, CRO is looking very bullish, especially if you're going to look at this. But I think ang warning lang dito is if you're going to look at this in the daily, we are starting to get this bearish divergence. And guys, bearish divergence is not a good indicator. Kasi if, let's say, nag-decline pa din yung RSI, then that would signify na we might possibly get a bearish trend reversal to the downside. But that's a good thing kasi if you're going to look at this, anlayo na inakit natin dito kay CRO. So, a dip or a pullback is not a bad thing dito. So, right now, if mag-pullback to, then that's fine. That's nothing to worry. And yeah, as much as possible, ma-hold natin yung 50-day moving average in the daily. So, right now, it's actually a good selling opportunity right now for CRO if let's say you are trading CRO. But yeah, right now, looking bullish tayo dito. Our pinakang highest technical price target talaga dito is around the 88 cents as of the time being. Pero we must take each milestone one step at a time. So right now, kailangan niya muna ma-break si 58 or 59 cents or 57. Then ang next target doon, if ma-break natin yun, would be the 76 cents. And if ma-break natin si 76 cents, then our target would be around the 88 cents. So right now, that is for the CRO. Overbought is not a good buying opportunity. It's a good selling opportunity. And yeah, take note of the targets. And kung gusto nyo mag-sell or mag-take profit, remember na never sell all at once. Mag-take kayo ng partial profit and then every milestone, take kayo ng partial profit lang. Huwag kayo mag-all in sa selling. So let's say, ngayon, mag-sell ka 20%. That is fine. So di ba nag-take profit ka ng 20% at this area? So pag umakit siya, take profit ka ulit ng 20% and then another 20% every milestone. So ganun yung ginagawa natin dapat in dollar cost averaging in selling. So meron tayong DCA in buying, meron din tayong DCA in selling. So yun yung gagawin ko strategy dito kay CRO if let's say, umakit pa siya lalo, 20% take profit. And if mag-dip siya, then I would buy more CRO in that case. Kasi of course, guys, if you own any CRO token, then you can actually get this beautiful metal Visa card na meron kay Crypto.com. Kasi dito kay Crypto.com, if you are going to stake CRO, you can actually get this beautiful metal Visa card. And yeah, marami siyang perks like Netflix, Spotify, and different airport lounges. So yeah, if you want to get this beautiful Visa card, you can actually apply dito. And if you want to claim up to $50 bonus kay Crypto.com, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description below. Or you can actually use my code, which is GabsCrypto, upon signing up. And then same thing goes dito. Pwede kayo actually mag-stake ng coins and you can see you can earn up to 14.5% interest per annum when you are going to stake your coins as well as stable coins. So yeah, that is for Crypto.com. As you can see, very bullish tayo dito ngayon for Crypto.com. Ang laki ng potential natin dito. And it's just a matter of proper buying and selling opportunity lang talaga. So that is for the CRO token. Now, let's talk about Gala. Kasi alam ko marami din nagtatanong sa inyo ng Gala and ang dami nagsuggest ng comments dyan. Technical analysis daw. So, yeah, let's give you a quick analysis for Gala. And as you can see, ang sobrang fresh pa ng data natin. So, if you're going to ask me, nakukulangan pa ako sa data. So, I don't want talaga to give an in-depth analysis if kulang yung data. Pero sige, let's try this one out. So, As you can see, hindi pa nagpe-print yung ating 50-day moving average, or nagprint na siya actually, konti lang, pero insufficient yung data in order for us to say kung akit ba tayo or bababa. But right now, I think what we can do is by looking at the shorter time frame. So let's look at this in the 4-hour time frame. You can see na overbought tayo. But right now, it's actually a good selling opportunity. Pero I don't see any bearish indicators forming kasi if let's say bearish na to, ang dapat mangyari sa bearish indicator is nag-increase yung price. So dapat umakit to. At the same time, yung RSI is dapat declining. However, as you can see, pataas pa din yung RSI, pataas pa din yung price. So we don't have yet any bearish indicators. So it's actually looking good right now for Gala. And let's look at the daily time frame back again dito. And let's try to draw a Fibonacci retracement and understand kung ano ba yung price prediction dito. So if you're going to look at this, you can actually see na meron tayong Fibonacci support and resistance dito sa ating previous all-time high up to the lowest low. So getting this area, you can actually see na meron tayong Fibonacci resistance at the 28 cents. So 28 cents yung ating major resistance dito. And I think we got rejected doon exactly. Kasi look at this. If you're going to zoom in, that was actually a pretty strong resistance. But now, ano ba yung support areas na titingnan natin? So our technical support would be around the 19 cents and as well as the 14 cents. So yun yung titingnan natin na support ngayon dito for Gala. So let's say if you want to buy the dip Gala, you can actually set a buy order at around the 19 cents as well as the 14 cents. And yeah, as you can see, moving averages sobrang layo. So pullback is not a bad thing. And yeah, okay lang naman magkaroon ng pullback as usual sa kahit anong coin. It's actually a good thing in order for us to sustain. It's actually a good thing in order for us to sustain a bullish movement. But zooming out, you can actually see na ang pwedeng nating makitang target is around the 35 cents and the 41 cents. So right now, price prediction natin for Gala for the time being is around the 36 cents as well as the 41 cents. So yun yung ating foreseeable as of this time being. And looking at the RSI, it's not actually a good time to buy Gala. So kung gusto mo humabol ng Gala, I don't think na maganda humabol ngayon. Kasi look at the RSI, it's overbought. And naturally, you don't want to buy during an overbought price action. Kasi if let's say mag-buy ka ngayon and umakit yan, ang pwedeng profit na makuha mo lang dyan is mas maliit lang. Let's say mag-buy ka lang dyan, you can see na 30% profit lang back to the previous all-time high. Pero if let's say nag-abang ka ng dip at nakakuha ka ng buying opportunity ulit, let's say bumagsak siya up until the 14 cents and then nag-buy ka doon, let's say nag-buy the dip ka, you can see going back to the previous all-time high, pwede ka mag-earn up until 89% in profits. So yun yung power ng buying the dip. You are actually earning more when the asset is going down. So right now, if you want to enter Gala, I highly suggest na you look at the RSI and wait for it to go below the 30 threshold sa RSI. Kasi look at this. As of now, the RSI is above 70, indicating na that's not a good buying opportunity. That is a good selling opportunity. So the best buy would be below the 30 threshold. So right now, malayo pa tayo sa 30. So if mag-drop to below 30, then yeah, that would be a good buying opportunity. And once pa lang natin nakita yung buying opportunity ni Gala sa ngayon, as you can see, that was around November 11, indicating that was a good buying opportunity. Pero right now, it's not a good buying opportunity. It's a good selling opportunity. And yeah, so yun yung ating price prediction for Gala as well as somehow an in-depth analysis. 41 cents ang as of now pinakang high. Our technical support would be 19 cents and technical resistance would be the 27 cents. So yun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.